Let's talk about electrician pay in Eritrea. The average electrician income in Eritrea is around 1,180 US dollars a year. After tax, that average annual gross salary drops to $1,010, so your monthly take-home pay is roughly $84. While this is the national average electrician salary in Eritrea, how much does an electrician make in Eritrea if they move to the largest city? In Asmara, a worker brings home $1,190 after tax, which is noticeably more than what people earn in rural areas. However, living outside the main city costs less, so that lower pay often balances out in the end. Starting electrician wages usually sit below these figures, but pay goes up quickly as you gain skills. If you do not move into a supervisory role later on, your income tends to plateau. On top of that, having a university degree makes a big difference because employers pay more for higher education. That extra schooling is not always required locally, but it helps you move into better roles like site manager or technical consultant. Large international firms also pay higher average electrician pay than small local companies because they have bigger budgets.